So the first snowstorm goes all the way down there, you know. Pretty snow. It's gonna snow a lot till tomorrow or so. So, what are we gonna do tonight? Well, I thought I'd do a hot chocolate bomb. Since it is freezing outside, it's snowing. And here's my puppy. Hello. Hi. And so what we're going to do is this. I will show you in just a second. Heidi. Hello. From Adventures and Travels, but right now I'm grounding at home. So I will turn this around to show you what I'm doing. This is my frother with hot milk in it. Right here is my chocolate peppermint bomb. Yum. So take it out of the package. You can hear that, right? Hear that rattle? Put it in here. And I hope this works. We'll see. Okay. It's supposed to melt really quick. I don't know how quick it's going to melt. Oh, it's melting now. Oh, look at that. So I'm sure I probably should take my spoon. And I think there's marshmallows in there. Look at that. Oh. Yeah, I was going to do the tea thing maybe later. Oops. Guess I can't video and this at the same time. Okay. So I'll keep stirring, but you can see the chocolate melting in there. So there you have it. A hot chocolate bomb, peppermint bomb on a cold, cold night. So, what do you think, baby? She has nothing to say. So stay safe out there if you have snow. If not, if you're on the beaches, lucky you guys. But until next time, happy adventures and travels.